Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually get filter on TikTok. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is go ahead and get your phone or cell phone or whatever it is, and next of all what I need you to do is download TikTok on it. So we go to App Store, and from App Store guys, you just search for TikTok, and just like so you will have it in here. So this is the TikTok logo, as you can see, and that's the application. So make sure you are not confusing with other applications. Of course you will not be confused in App Store, but if you have Google Store you will have a bunch of applications that looks like TikTok, so make sure you download the correct one. So guys, right after that you click on open, and let's mute this as this. Sorry guys, let's mute this video because it's making some okay, let's keep it that way. So now how we can actually get filter in on TikTok. So what I will need you to do guys, it's pretty simple. Basically you go to the add here, so this icon in here, click on it, you give the permission for TikTok to go to your camera, so open settings, and let's give it the permission, so let's give it that way, and let's go back here. So now as you can see, if we click on add, okay, we have to give it even the permission to our microphone. So let's search for TikTok. Where is TikTok? TikTok, it must be somewhere in here, so here it is. Let's give it the microphone access as well. So now after we did that, we click on add, and here you go. Now if you want to add any effects, you click on effects, and from here you can select between all of these filters in here. So you can choose whatever filter in here, and you can see yourself with this effects guys. So whatever effects you'd like to use, you will be able to see it right after you click. So for example, if you choose this one and you put your face in front of your camera, you will be able to see that effect or that filter on your face. So yeah guys, that was how you can actually add or get a filter inside your TikTok application. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.